Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ruby's Passion.
Hello friends, we are making a cupcake.
Hello friends, today me and my son Ayansh, we both are making cupcakes, vanilla Choco Chips cupcakes, or you can call it a muffins also.
Thank you.
So, shall we start, Ayansh?
Yes.
So let's get started. So for muffins we need
Butter and curd, milk
we need milk,
and
all-purpose flour or maida, brown sugar, vanilla essence, choco chips,
total chips,
baking powder and soda, and one egg. And we need a muffin tray and muffin cups
and dish.
and a hand blender. So let's get started. So first of all, we'll take a butter in a bowl and put all the butter. You can take a spatula. After putting this, we are gonna blend. We will put the brown sugar in a bowl. All the brown sugar in a, and then we'll whisk it again with the blender. After putting this, we will add one egg. No, we'll do with this blender only. That's not required.
Lovely! Yeah, wow!
This will be of this. See how creamy it has become. Creamy consistency. Now, Ayansh, what we'll do? We'll add curd. Put it inside this. What is this, Ayansh?
Curd.
Okay. Put it inside this only. Enough. Okay, done. Now little milk. Add little milk.
I put this. Okay.
Hold it. And a teaspoon of vanilla essence. You want to mix with your hand? Mix it.
Again.
Now in this maida, we will add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now in this batter, I will sieve some maida. And come on, mix it. Come closer and mix it better. we will put all the 1 cup of Choco Chips.
I like it.
And very softly we are gonna mix the batter now.
Mama, मुझे वो दे दो. I like it.
Little bit of salt, a pinch of salt we'll add in this. And we'll give it a stir. And now I've taken this muffin tray and we have this cups. So on like this I will keep all this. And keep it. See if it is one or two. Like this we will keep. And we will pour the batter
Meh.
on this.
I put egg.
Careful. So Ayansh, you're liking it?
Yes.
You're enjoying?
Yes.
In meanwhile, you need to preheat your oven at 220 degrees Celsius.
And we have to put in the oven and we'll take it out. Hello friends, we are putting in the oven.
Yes, we are putting now this muffins inside the oven. So first we will keep it at the same temperature, 220 degrees Celsius, and after 5 minutes we will decrease the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius.
And we put in the oven, we'll pick it out.
Yes, once it will bake, we'll take it out. Okay, so we'll put it inside the.
It's freaking hot, okay?
It's freaking hot.
It's freaking hot and don't touch.
We'll start. So Ayansh, did you enjoy?
Yes.
Did you learn now how to make muffins? Yummy, yummy muffins? You want to say something?
Yes.
What? You want to eat them? Now after 20 minutes, with this toothpick, I'm gonna check if it is cooked or not. If the toothpick comes out clean, that means our muffins are ready. So let's see. It's little bit sticky, so maybe after 5 minutes I will take them out. Our yummy muffins are ready. Ayansh?
I like it, yummy muffins and we love.
So these are extremely yummy. Please do try them. I put all the measurements of the ingredients in the description box. Please check them.
Thank you.
So, bye.
Bye. Bye. Good night.
Subscribe
Please like and subscribe
to our channel.
to our channel.
Bye.